Hey everyone, welcome to Brad's Gadgets. Today I've got the Ulanzi MT-79 tripod / selfie stick, and we're going to give it a quick review. So what exactly is the Ulanzi MT-79? It's a big stick, but it's collapsible, it's a tripod, and you can use it as a selfie stick. So let's go into all the features and the pricing, and we're gonna give it a quick review. Okay, first of all, if you want to use this thing as a selfie stick, right, all you have to do is pull out the top. Okay, and this thing can actually extend quite far. That's quite the selfie stick if you're going to use it for that. But it also pushes back in, so you don't have to use the whole thing. Okay. Now, it is mostly made out of plastic, except these legs here. They're like maybe like an aluminum or something. Now, the head that comes on it is not the greatest. It's only got one way. Mosquitoes. One way to bend, so when you loosen it up you can only go left or right, or forward and backward depending on how you're holding it. But that may be all you need. Okay. Now, it's all folded up into this one 12-inch section, ladies, and the base just opens up. Now the easiest way to do that is stick your finger in the bottom, ladies, pull out the legs, and tighten the little ring. Okay, and then from there you can set it all up. And if you can see, I'm around 5'9", and this is I guess it's a bad camera angle, but this thing is actually taller than I am. So if you have a action cam or something like that with one of these connectors on it, right, you just put it on top and screw it on place. Okay, so now you've got it sitting there, and you can bend it up or down. Okay, which is not bad. That way you're not going sideways to sideways. It's not on an angle. If you did need to go to a different angle or something like that, you could technically loosen it up, turn your camera, tighten it back up, and put on whatever angle you want. Now, why would you go on a 45? I don't know, but at least that option's there. Now, the connection on top of this is a 1/4-20. Standard 1/4-20. So you could technically mount a ball head or something else that you wanted on this if you need to rotate or something like that. But pricing, this thing's only $30 Canadian. I think 31 actually. I'll post the actual price and links down below in the description as a kid goes driving by and wipes out on his bike. Anyways, I'll post the link for USA and Canada down in the description below. Give it a check out. So for 30 bucks, I mean, really, this is a pretty decent travel tripod. I mean, you don't have to spend, 400 bucks, especially if you're going on vacation or something that you would you could possibly lose it or something like that. It's very sturdy, and I'll give you a couple examples here. Do I recommend it? Yes, absolutely. For the price point, 30 bucks, you're not going to find another tripod that's as sturdy or as long as this. I can't believe how much it extends. Yes, it doesn't have those locking features. Yes, you could possibly knock it over if you're not careful, but if you want either a selfie stick or a tripod or both, this isn't a bad buy at all. You want to use it as a selfie stick, you can just pull it out for however far you need. Okay? And you can keep pulling. So you have a selfie stick way over there if you need it. It just pulls in and out. There's no locking mechanism, but it is all done by pressure. So will it wear out over time? Yeah, probably. It probably will. I could totally see that. But again, for 30 bucks, go buy a new one, really. I do like this aluminum accent here. This tightening ring. And again, that's the tightening ring is just for the legs at the bottom here, right? So when you pop them out, slide it down for however wide you want it, and when you're at your desired width, just tighten up that ring. Anyways, if you got any value out of this video, maybe you're looking to buy one of these, maybe you didn't even know it existed, I definitely say to give it a look at on Amazon. For the price, it's a great pop-up tripod. Okay, it deploys fast and it's very sturdy, and you can't beat it for 30 bucks or less. In the States it'll be a lot less. For 30 bucks Canadian, that's like what, 17 bucks American? I don't know. We'll find out in the links. Anyways, if you got any value out of this video, I'd appreciate a like, maybe even subscribe, and don't forget the notification on the bottom right hand corner for every time I upload a new video. And as always, well, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody.